In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language in the Microsoft Store. Before we begin, here's a quick note. The Microsoft Store follows your Windows display language. That means to change the store's language, we'll change Windows display language, and the store will update to match. Start by opening the Windows settings. The fastest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. This works on both Windows 11 and Windows 10. If the shortcut doesn't respond, you can also open settings from the Start menu, but the keyboard shortcut is usually quickest. Now, depending on your version of Windows, the next clicks look slightly different. On Windows 11, look at the left sidebar and click Time and Language. On the right, choose Language and Region. On Windows 10, click Time and Language, then select Language from the menu on the left. You're in the right place when you see a section called Preferred Languages. In the Preferred Languages section, click the Add a Language button. A search box will appear. Type the name of the language you want to use. When you see it in the list, select it and click Next. If you notice multiple variants like different regional versions, pick the one that matches how you want Windows and the store to look. This helps with spellings, formats, and app listings. On the next screen, check the box labeled Set as my Windows display language. This is the key step that tells Windows and the Microsoft Store to switch. Then click Install. Windows will download the language pack and apply it. You'll need an internet connection for this, and depending on what's included, it may take a moment. If optional features like handwriting or speech aren't needed, you can leave them unchecked to speed things up. When the installation finishes, Windows will prompt you to sign out to apply the new display language. Save any open work first so you don't lose changes. Click Sign Out, then sign back into your Windows account. After you've logged back in, open the Microsoft Store. You should now see menus, buttons, and listings in the language you selected. If the change doesn't appear immediately, give it a minute or two after sign in, then close and reopen the store. That's it. You've changed the Microsoft Store language by updating your Windows display language. If you ever want to go back, return to the same settings page, choose your previous language as the display language, and sign out and back in again. Thanks for watching, and take care.